Let us listen to Brother Nestor Villanueva, a missionary, as he reflects on the 7 last words. Second word, truly I say to you, today you will be with me in paradise. Brother Nestor.
Second word, truly I say unto you, you will be with me in paradise. In the book of Luke, chapter 23, verse 39, Jesus answered him, I tell you the truth, today you will be with me in paradise. As in this scenario, there were two thieves that was crucified with Jesus, one on his right and the other is on his left. The other one said that if you are the Son of God, you save yourself. In other words, he is not convinced about Jesus Christ, his saving grace. But the other man recognized his being a sinner and he repented and he said, remember me when you are in paradise. And Jesus replied to him, I tell you the truth, today you will be with me in paradise. In this life, we experience some troubles and temptation and trials in life, but we have hope in Jesus. He will tell us if we will walk with him day by day, faithfully and honestly, sincere commitment to God. He will tell us, today I will be with you in paradise. And that's an assurance to the other man that Jesus told him that he will be with him in paradise. And so the word says, I say unto you, you will be with me in paradise in the kingdom of heaven.
Thank you, Brother Nestor.